back to my channel where I talk to a camera and you stare at a screen. Do you ever have these like big fitness plans? Maybe January 1st rolls around, you make a resolution, you're going to eat right, exercise, get enough sleep. Maybe in hopes that by the time summer rolls around, you're gonna feel confident, you're gonna look good, you're gonna feel good. Maybe you have some big trip, maybe you're going someplace tropical, you're gonna be in a bikini, and you think, in 6 months, I'm gonna look so fire. This is perfect timing, this is me, this is my year. And you do it for a little while, but then you kind of fall off the wagon. Maybe you have a big group project and you had to skip today's workout, and then you get sick, and so you're out of the gym for about a week. And then maybe you lose all motivation completely. And then all of a sudden, it's 10 days away from your big trip, or you're smack dab in the middle of summer, and you realize, oh, did not follow that resolution. I did not eat very well. I stopped going to the gym. I go to bed about 2 a.m. every night. Maybe you've spent a little bit too much time on Netflix watching reruns and not enough time actually running. Or instead of fitness, you're more like, how much pizza can I fit in this mouth? Because same. I was planning January 1st, by the time the 4th of July rolls around, I'm gonna look smoking. And I was doing it for a while. I was going to the gym like 4 times a week. I was eating okay, but I was really working in the gym, so I was doing more so there so I could cheat a little bit more in my meals. And then somehow the 4th of July was 10 days away. I live in a town where everybody wears crop tops and bikinis because we're by the beach, and it's warm, and it's sunny, and it's beautiful, and you wanna feel confident, you want to feel good, and I was not feeling good. I was not feeling confident. That was until I stumbled upon this 5-minute plank challenge, and I thought to myself, what would happen if I did this every day for 10 days? So I did this 5-minute plank challenge for 10 days so you wouldn't have to. But after seeing my results, maybe you'll want to. Honestly, kind of blew my mind. I don't know if it'll blow your mind. You might look at this and say, McKenna, you're crazy, but I think the results kind of speak for themselves. I did not change the way I ate during these 10 days. I find that the hardest thing for me to do is to change what I am eating. I might be able to add in some healthier options, but I cannot give up pizza because it's delicious. Maybe you shouldn't put that in. You are trying to gain followers. Also, for the first 5 days, I did add in a little bit extra exercise. I was either running / jogging / walking. But then for the last 5 days, I got kind of lazy with it and only did the 5-minute plank challenge because I kind of only had 5 minutes to spare. I am officially establishing myself as a DIY / lifestyle, which encompasses fitness and things. Fitness and things. Sure, why not? It's my channel. According to Wikipedia, the most reliable and trustworthy of sources, DIY is the method of building, modifying, or repairing something without the aid or supervision of an expert or a professional. And disclaimer, I am not an expert or a professional, so it's perfect. I am building and modifying something, my abdominals, and I am not an expert, nor am I a professional. So for the first minute, you are going to go into a full plank. Your arms are going to be directly underneath your shoulders. Make sure your shoulder blades are down, your booty is down. You're gonna hold this for 1 full minute. Then you're gonna transition into an elbow plank. Again, make sure that your booty is down, your core is tight. You're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. In the same position, all you're gonna do is raise one leg up for 30 seconds, put it down, and then you're gonna raise the other leg up for 30 seconds and put it down. This is my favorite transition of the plank challenge because it feels like you're getting a little bit of a break. You're doing a side plank. You're gonna hold one side for 30 seconds, and you guessed it, you're gonna go to the other side for 30 seconds and hold it. Then we're switching it back to the full plank. You're gonna hold this only for 30 seconds, and again, make sure that booty is down. You're gonna transition lastly into the elbow plank for 1 full minute. It's really not that hard. You might think that 5 minutes of planking is difficult, but you're switching it up. You're really not one plank for a full 5 minutes. You're doing different variations, which makes it seem kind of easier, more manageable, more doable. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. And like I said, it's 5 minutes out of your day. If you do not have 5 minutes, you are lying to yourself and me, and I don't like liars, so try 5 minutes, see what happens. I'm not guaranteeing that any of this is going to do anything, but I will show you my results. You wanna look fire for some vacation that's 10 days away, try this 5-minute plank challenge. This works for me. Maybe it'll help you guys out. Again, I'm not an expert. I'm not a professional. I'm not a dietitian. I'm not a physical trainer. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl on YouTube trying to share what's worked for me. Anyways, hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and like down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.